So once your data is loaded, if you click on this button here, that will show you the 2D within the 3D. You can middle mouse click to remove the overlay. So this is all the data. You zoom in onto the data that is from your random roll, and second button from the right, mag sphere, mouse wheel up, turn off the sphere, so it's the top green button, and then you right click on this one, second button down, data point line size, so mouse wheel up to make it brighter. Okay, so this is the mag data for the section of data we're viewing. This button reset, left click reset orientation. We need to right click. Oops, now we're going to switch to 2D because there's 3D information and 2D information. You have to click this yellow button here to switch back to 2D. So, and we right click and left click to highlight the data we want to use. And then this button here is for bookmarks, which says just here. So right click to create a bookmark, and then we will use that for we're doing this because we're telling the mag offsets algorithm to use the data within the bookmark. So up here it's difficult to see, so hang on, initiate magnetometer, it says along here. So we want initiate magnetometer correction algorithm. So left click. We then want to tell it that we're using this bookmark. So if you look at the little yellow tag on the right of my mouse, it says at the bottom it says mag sphere corrected question mark not selected. So you hold on the Alt key and then right click, and that basically brings the data within this bookmark into the system. So once we've done that, what you've got to make sure of is that the mag data doesn't have any outliers. If it does, then you need to create several bookmarks that don't include those outliers. What we're looking for is something that resembles a sphere, some ellipsoid perhaps, but it is basically spherical to in some degree. So, and then left click on this button to say we want to move forward with the algorithm. So left click. So it's done the offsets, and if you look at this side, there's some sort of ellipticity to it, and it's done its first initial guess as to the long axis on that, and it's tried to correct it, and we can just left click and rotate. I'm actually happy with that, so I'll click the top button to say go for it, click OK, and now if you hold down Control and left click to select the mag sphere, you can see the orientation setting. Orientation is corrected. Okay, so you can actually turn off the 2D if you wanted, but the controls here for this 2D are the same as the 2D in the old system. So you can switch, as I say, you can switch between the 3D visuals or the 2D. And here, so we can actually grab this. If you want to turn off this this little histogram, if you Control and left click to select this, and let me get rid of that bookmark. Hang on, that's kind of in the way. Delete the bookmark because that's creating things in the way. Oh, still there. There's a bug in the software. That's gone now. So, what are we trying to do here? Yeah, we want to get rid of this visual, this histogram. So, Control left click. So up here, there is the possibility. So the second from the bottom line of text is Control and mouse wheel to adjust the histogram. Hang on. Do toggle. So Control, Alt, and left click to turn it off. So Control left, Control and Alt, click. So that basically toggles the histogram on and off. Right, so now we've got our mag sphere, nice and centralized. This is what you want to use. This is what you get without any external magnetic field from the Earth's magnetic field, basically. So if you have something influencing this, you'll see spikes off in one or more axes. Obviously I can't really show you that here unless I've got something So that's still kind of behaving itself there, but I'm pretty sure there's some outliers somewhere on here. Oh, there we go. So you might see something like this. So control and left click to select it. You can actually either select this button down here, or you can do control and right click to switch to 2D. But yeah, control left click. So you can see, you might see something like this. When you pulse on the magnetic field, you'll see magnetic data coming off. If you want to chat online, I'm happy to do so. Just give me a shout. Thank you.